Hello guys, and welcome to a new BTC update video. Today we're going to cover the high time frames and also cover a little bit about low time frames, a few zones of interest, and also talk a little bit about what the trades I took today was and what I'm planning to do the rest of the week. This is some data we have coming this week. I think it's going to be a pretty interesting week for sure. Wednesday, Thursday and Friday is likely to be the most volatile days of the week. Tomorrow may also give some nice moves, but the end of the week is and midweek is definitely most interesting to me, with the Nvidia earnings also coming to on Wednesday. Will be extremely interesting. Also want to share that we have a trading challenge going on WEEX. It's 0 KYC and it's basically free bonuses. So if you already trade, why not get bonuses for it? You only need mail to get in. So I would really advise you want to check it out. It's linked in the description and you can grab your bonuses yourself. Looking at the key chart, we are trading at a range value high. I pull this range from this price section, and you can see the range value high confluence with the all-time high pulled anchor VWAP, which is acting as key resistance for now. The major make it or break it zone is this golden pocket between 82.5 and pretty much 84k. I expect this to be a major resistance, and a break and a retest of this key zone would be an indication of a new bull market for me, and this potentially being the bottom. As long as we stay below, this may be a lower high. So this zone is extremely important based on confluences in like structure, golden pockets, volume, ranges, everything. Looking at the lower time frame chart, we can pretty much see that the price is holding up well for sure. No question, and we have been getting some enormous moves from the VWAP today. Extremely cool to see. Yesterday we had a day level we could watch for some triggers, but it didn't give anything. So I pulled it to the newest daily, which is here, which is way more relevant looking at the current price action. I had a few zones. I took a few trades from today. I didn't snipe any top or something like that, but I took a bearish zone as a retest of a local range trade, main account. From this local range, price is trading, trapping, breaking down, bearish zone as a retest, stop loss above these highs, and target of the session VWAP, give a pretty nice short. I took a recap on Twitter, and also took a SFP long trade on my scalping account, on a few of them, on this nice move down and flush of the VWAP with SFP, with volume picking up, momentum getting real low, but getting a good stronger, and money flow picking up. Target of this local flip with a runner towards the naked weekly VWAP and naked session VWAP. That was a few of the trades today, and then the main trades I took. I took a few trades on altcoins as well. I all in all took 5 trades, something like that. But that's pretty normal to me. Looking at the chart, the VWAP remains pretty important to the downside. This day level looks pretty key in my opinion. 77 looks extremely important. After that, this buying tail, and then we have single prints all the way down. Single prints, I'm going to look for a long. I'm going to look for a long here. I'm also going to look for a long here. All these single prints, I'm going to look for longs. I share the clean single print chart on Twitter and in the group. Check it out. Tomorrow I'm going to share a few setups in the group. So beforehand with stop loss, entry, and everything. That's going to be extremely good. If you want to join the group, it's linked in the description for sure. And if you want to take your trading to the next level, you know exactly where to join. Also, I posted a good video yesterday about how to trade continuation with single prints. A 20-minute video. It's extremely good. So join just to see that video. It's extremely much value. So we had the next point of entry for short was pretty much the naked weekly VWAP, naked session VWAP with single print. Gave a wonderful short up here, and I think I just removed the naked weekly because it's been taken out. So this zone, it's not the strongest high at least, so this zone remains important for a potential short if you see weakness. After that, 80.8 to 81, and after that, of course, 83k, 82.8 is the nut to crack for the bulls, looking at the bigger picture as well. Some low time frames, I'm going to watch for triggers. I'm going to watch the price action. That's the plan. And we have a few earnings coming out as well. Wednesday is the main event with Nvidia, and also data coming out from many things, so it's an extremely important day on Wednesday. Tomorrow just is also going to be interesting based on the overall picture and where we are trading. Some advice for tomorrow would be have a few levels of interest. Feel free to use these I've just explained, but don't take any blind trades. Have a clear evaluation point where you want to take the stop loss. Know where to take profits. Wait for the zones of interest. Use great risk management. Trade on good exchanges, all linked in the description, so we don't pay too much in fees or get too much slippage. Use good exchanges. And my advice for main account is pretty much 4 to 10 trades a week, depending on the risk reward, win rate, and so on. Most should probably be with towards 6 to 8 a week, probably trades. On scalp account, which is a smaller account, 20% or smaller than your main, I advise between 5-10 for most people, 5-10%. Then 10 to 20 trades a week. Then you build great experience without risking too much money. That's a good way of doing it. I have many accounts just because the main exchanges I trade on is 0 KYC, so I can make more accounts and have different accounts. Advise you all to do that. Check out BloFin for that, check out WEEX for that. And you can also check out Liquid if you want. And I just want to wish you a fantastic week. It's FOMO everywhere. People are trying to tell you that it's too late to buy Bitcoin and so on. Don't listen to them. It's always going to be possibilities. And if you don't buy spot, it's always going to be a possibility to long trade anyways. But please don't FOMO into anything, and please don't buy just because an influencer tells you that Bitcoin is going to $10 million. Please do your own analysis, and please remember risk management first. We post a new video tomorrow, but of course, see you then. Bye bye.